Here's a 2018 Chrysler 300. This 300 is a full-size sedan as bold as your personality, with elegance, technology, and safety that goes above and beyond. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated leather sport bucket front seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and V8 engine. New car test drive think the new Chrysler 300 is the finest sedan that Chrysler Corporation has ever built. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.